To add a new debit card to Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the home screen to open your account settings. From here, you're going to select the linked accounts or payment methods option, which will display your current linked cards and bank accounts. Next, you're going to tap on Add Bank or Add Card to begin the process of linking your new debit card. Enter the card information, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV number, the three-digit code on the back of the card. You may be asked to provide your billing address associated with the debit card for verification purposes. All right. Now, after entering all required details, Cash App will prompt you to confirm the information. Once confirmed, your new debit card will be linked to your account. You may also be asked to verify the card via a security code sent by your bank or through another method depending on the card issuer's requirements. All right, so once the card is added successfully, you can start using it for payments, transferring funds, or adding funds to your Cash App balance. Let me know if this helped.